this video, we will show how to replace the front display circuit board. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the two tiny screws located on both sides of the power head's front display cover. It would be best to hold on to the bottom portion of the front display cover as you loosen the second screw, as the cover will easily remove away from the power head assembly, while keeping in mind to be aware that there's a wire harness that connects the front display circuit board to the main circuit board. Carefully detach the wire harness away from the multi-pin connector on the main circuit board. This is the back side of the front display board where the wire harness connects to. This allows the front display board to communicate with the main board. Push the two long vertical tabs outward in order to lift up the power head cover and set it aside. Carefully wiggle and detach the wire harness away from the multi-pin connector on the front display board. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the three screws that are located on the display board. Then lift up and remove the board. Notice the four buttons on the replacement display board and ensure that they are aligned with the four holes on the front display cover and place the board into position. Then thread the three screws back into place. Next, connect the wire harness to the display board's multi-pin connection. Be aware that there's only one way that the connector will properly align with the display board's connection while pushing it into place. Then, feed the wire harness through the hole in the power head cover as shown, and then snap the cover down into place. Then finally, place the front display cover back into position, and using the crosshead screwdriver, place the two tiny screws back into position. You have now successfully replaced the front display circuit board.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.